So today we're going to be talking about sound and hold on a second. There we go. That's better. So today we're going to be talking about sound and how you can improve the sound in your edit. Welcome to the Fly Fishing Filmmaker channel. My name's Mark, and this channel is about fly fishing and my fly fishing films. I've had a few comments over the years asking me how I do certain things, so I thought I'd do a few tutorials on what I've learned in making my films. Hopefully these tutorials will help you as you guys are making your films. Today's topic is sound, and sound is so important. But one of the things about sound is that when it's really good and it's really immersive, you don't even really think about it. You just think, oh, that film was really good, and I felt like I was there. It felt like I was there fishing with them. But when the sound is really bad, you notice it. You notice the bad wind noise. You notice when you can't hear the person talking, or you can hear one person talking, but you can't hear the other person talking. Let's take a listen to some short clips, and let me know if you've ever watched a YouTube video that sounds like this, or you've ever put out a YouTube video that sounds like this. I know I have. One of the problems we have as outdoor filmmakers is that we don't have a controlled environment. We don't have a studio where everything is set up perfectly and the sound is just right. We have to deal with the river noise, and we have to deal with the wind noise and airplanes and trains and cars. So let's take a look at the first technique. The first technique is really simple, and it's really just taking a little bit of music and putting it underneath all the clips. And this provides a continuous sound that sort of breaks up that jarring mix. Let's say you put some music over it and you're like, I don't know, that sound just still not very good. So another variation on this is you can just take out the sound. Just zero it out, and it's like a little montage, and you've got this theme music going on behind it. So sometimes you don't want to put music behind your clips, or sometimes you don't want to take out the ambient sound. You really want that immersive feeling. So what can we do? So one trick that we can do is that we can find a similar piece of ambient sound and copy and paste it and put it underneath your clips. In this example, I found this clip right here, and I overlaid it over these two clips here. I didn't have enough sound for all four clips, so I just copied and pasted it. Alright, let's talk about the last technique, and that's a crossfade. Crossfades are used all over the place. You'll hear them in the radio stations, or maybe your MP3 players have that option. Apple iTunes software has that option. You can crossfade. It's basically one song, as it's ending, the next tune starts. And so you can do the same thing with your clips. So I like to customize my crossfades. I manually set up each of my clips and how quickly or slowly they fade into each other or fade out. But you can use the built-in crossfade tool. Premiere, you can just right click on two clips and do apply default transition, and it will do an audio crossfade between two clips. I'm sure many other video editing software out there have the similar capabilities. Let's listen to what this sounds like. And of course, you can mix and match these techniques together. Here's a clip where I use crossfades and music together. Hopefully those three techniques were useful. If you use any of those techniques in your films, please leave your film in the comments below. I'd love to check it out. And if you have any tips that I didn't mention, I'd love to learn about those. Leave those in the comment section as well. And if you'd like to see my last film where I use some of these techniques, click on the film that pops up. And please consider liking and subscribing for more content. Have a good one.